cool AF.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. No. The last day I saw you, that was it.
Yeah,
What was that?
Take off flaps.
A 9900!
Push it all the way back. I think we're gonna start flying 5,000. Eventually, I think that's what's gonna happen.
Timer cleared.
Ready?
Ready. Woo! Oh, Gary, you didn't say anything.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Did you not see that tandem takeoff?
Funny, nobody can hear anything negative. Well, actually, that's the wrong one.
We hear everything negative.
Nobody can hear any positive. They want to hear it again. What was that?
Huh?
I missed
Huh?
that.
Huh? They want to hear it twice.
Little red light is on.
Oh, are you recording? You ready? Should we do our routine?
Yeah.
I'm going to be further out.
Yep.
This is time on the stick.
It's alright.
Time remaining 2
I never
minutes.
get tired.
Dude, last week we were doing like high speed passes to do a lot.
We're dead perfect.
Dead lumber.
Whoa. That wasn't me. Something hit me. Nice.
He doesn't even freak out anymore. He's like, yeah.
No, if I see you get really close, then I'll move. But that was just kind of close.
Right, the idea is to get tight. Get tight further out.
See, the thing is, like right there, something bumped me
Yeah.
and totally kicked me off. So I had to get lined up again. I see Frank hit it. Frank hit it that time. There's a rotor or something over there. And it'll either speed you up or slow you down, one or the other.
Because wind picked up.
Okay. See, it just hit me there. Whoa, there, yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay. Okay. Yep. I don't know how I pulled ahead of you. It's okay. Stay where you are, and there's a bird right here, so let's try to avoid that. But tell me when you're getting on it. Go.
10, 9,
I'll catch up. Stay on it.
7, 6, 5, 4.
We got to start from half throttle and go. I can't hear it. Is it already? Come on in. Whoa! What the hell was that? Okay, coming in.
1 minute over.
That was the whole point.
Flat up.
Woo! It's cold! My God! Whack! I'm gonna go again though. I gotta get these paxies done.
This one. Alright, let's do F-16.
Yeah, let's do it. Because that's a pack I got ready to go right now.
But I gotta adjust the throw first.
Yeah, do that. You probably should leave it at 100. Should probably leave it at 100.